Alright guys, so today's video is kind of short, but it's just showing off this product I found on Amazon. It was $12, and the Mustang's back bumper was like faded away from time, so instead of buying a new bumper I thinking this will help, and it actually really does. It makes it look like brand new, and it's just the first day applying. It's one coat, and it comes with this. I need to wash it, but it looks rather good, and I'll keep you guys updated on the progress if it like fades away later, like a day, week, month, depends on the time. And I haven't been posting lately because I have nothing to post about, but I have plans to put a new exhaust on the car, and I have a car meet to go to this Saturday, which I'll be posting here.